Breakout room.
Ms. Brown, I'm going to need you to stop getting your hair done. I'm going to need you to stop getting your hair done. You're in court with me. Okay? Kendra, are you still there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Everyone been checked in?
Yes, Your Honor, we are still missing some defendants, but all attorneys are here.
Okay. Mr. Tyra, sir, are all of the folks that are checked in eligible for an intake?
Yes, they are.
They appear to be eligible for an intake.
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Something's wrong with your volume, Mr. Tyra. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am Judge Donald Allen of the 55th District Court, and we're here for purposes of what's called a pretrial. A pretrial is actually more easily thought of as being a scheduling conference. So we will not be having a substantive hearing today. The actual hearing in these matters will be on September 21st at 2 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this order, and then I'm going to come to you each individually to ask you if you have any questions or concerns, and then we'll also talk about the lawyers as well. All right, so the defendants have the right to have the assistance of an attorney under the Court Rule 4.201. The Legal Services of South Central Michigan has been designated for that purpose. However, if you do not qualify for services through the Legal Services of South Central Michigan, you might still be able to get free assistance through what's called the Dispute Resolution Services Center. There's also possibility of having some assistance through the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, and they also run a homeless veterans program. You should understand that you do not need to have a judgment rendered against you in order to receive services through the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. Simply having your summons complaint is sufficient. And finally, there's a possibility of having what's called a conditional dismissal. And a conditional dismissal is just that, a dismissal of the case against you upon the satisfaction of a condition. So I always like to give an example of how that works so that people understand. So let's say, for example, you owe your landlord $1,000, just to use a nice round number, and that you made an agreement with your landlord to pay that $1,000. And let's say, for example, you've paid $950 of that $1,000 that you owe your landlord. You can still be evicted because of owing your landlord $50, because the conditional dismissal was based on you paying $1,000, and even being just $50 short could cause you to be evicted. So with that, I'm going to come to you each individually. I'm going to call the case number and your name, and then we'll have a little bit of a conversation, okay? All right, so the next matter is case 232085. This is D Ventures versus Leah Gray. Appearances for the record.
Hi, we're here.
Good
Ms.
afternoon.
Gray.
Ali Dan.
I'm so sorry. My name's actually wrong on it. It's Lyanna Gray.
Okay. So we can have the clerk's office try to straighten that out. So who's representing D Ventures?
Ali Damsels.
Don't know who that is. No, this is Ali.
Okay. Ms. Gray, do you have any questions of me at this moment?
Yeah, I would just like to talk to legal aid services.
Okay. What's going on with the screen?
Ms. Armistead is screen sharing.
Oh, am I?
Yes.
How do I stop what I did? I didn't mean to do that.
All right, just don't touch anything, okay?
Okay, I'm
All
sorry.
right, so Mr. Tyra, who can Ms. Gray speak with?
Right now it's just me, Your Honor, so I will get her number and then I'll have somebody from her office give her a call.
Okay. Did you hear what he said, Ms. Gray?
Yes. So do I just, how do I talk to him?
Do you know how to do a chat?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I can send her a chat.
We're gonna send you a chat with the number in it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, I need her number. I don't know the number to call him.
Mr. Tyler, you wanna give us your number?
I just sent it.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Tyler, I see it. Do you see that, Ms. Gray?
In the chat?
Yes, it should be on your screen.
No.
I don't see it either. Did it just come to you?
Oh, yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Sent it to just
Okay.
you, so everybody has it.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So the idea is that you will get everything taken care of and not have to come back, but if you do, it would be on September 21st at 2 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're free to hang up at this point.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, sir. Next matter is case 23-2093. This is Millennium Housing versus Danietta Brown. Ms. Brown, can you hear me?
Yes,
Ms. Brown, do you
yes,
have
I
any
can.
questions? Do you have any questions?
I don't.
Would you like to have the services of the pre-lawyer to assist you?
I would, yes, I would like that.
So you're gonna,
Because
You
just
call
like you
Mr.
said,
Tyler.
even though we think we have it set up and we think we know our plan, it still would be nice to conversate and just have the right idea of going about it.
correct. Did you see Mr. Tyler's number earlier?
I did. I believe it pushed to our chat.
Yes. Did you get it? Do you know if you'll still have it when you can call him?
Yeah, it's fast. And I sure can.
All right. So the idea here is that everything will get worked out and you won't have to come back, but if you do have to come back, September 21st at 2 o'clock. Zoom proceeding just like today.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Tyler, there's something going on with your audio that you're just not that loud. Usually I can hear you a lot clearer than I can today.
Do you mind if I log back out, try to come back in?
Now, I don't know if you just touched something or whatever, but it's perfect now.
Oh, well, there it is.
Okay, let's see. The next matter I have is case 23-2103. This is Millennia Housing versus Pamela Amistad.
Yes, Armistead, Your Honor.
Armistead?
Yeah, Armisted.
Okay. So do you have any questions of me, Ms. Armistead?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. I want a trial
Sounds like you need a lawyer then.
and I need a lawyer. I hired a lawyer. He took my $200 and he was supposed to at least speak for me today, but he said that would cost more money. And so he said that the people, he tried to work it out with them. They wanted $2,000 a week and be out in 30 days. So does that mean I have to be out in 30 days while I'm going through this? Because I want a trial and I need my voice heard, Your Honor, because it's been egregious conduct. The way I've been treated has been just, I've been here 6 years and the last 2 years has just been pure hell. I lost my husband of 27 years and I just need a voice, Your Honor. I'll get out of their property. I'm going to have a judgment. I need time to get out though. This is causing me a great hardship. And so to be
Okay.
out in 30 days is going to be a hardship for me.
Let me stop you because we're not having a hearing today. Okay? So it sounds like you want to talk to Mr. Tyler about potentially having them represent you.
I did something to the screen, so I don't know what his correct spelling of his name is, so I can look it up on Google, see what his real name is. I don't know how to spell his name.
Last name is Tyra.
Tyra.
Correct.
All right. And he's from legal.
Did you write down his phone number so you can call him?
Yes, I did. 517. Is it 517?
You don't have to say it out loud. We don't want everybody else through the entire internet to be calling Mr. Tyra.
Okay, well, I think I got it, Your Honor. I did something to the screen, so it's black. Oh, I just pushed the button and did, okay, I'm back. Well, either way it go, I do have a case because I had got in touch with him in March, so I'll see. But, so either way it go, I gotta come back September 21st to resume.
Correct, at 2 o'clock.
All right, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, you're free to hang up at this point, okay?
Okay, I had one other question.
Okay,
When I talked to Miss Kingsley, she said my proof of why I didn't pay my rent, I can bring that to your court. I have pictures and emails and everything.
well, you give it to the lawyer.
Oh, so I don't bring it to the court? She told me to bring it to the court. That's why I'm asking you. Who do I give this information to?
You just asked for a lawyer, and I'm telling you, give it to the lawyer.
All right, all right. That's good enough. Just want to know who I give it to. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.